Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter Ratio and Proportion, exercise 6a. All of you take out your maths textbook, page number 81 you have to open. In that sum number 21, let us see the sum what is given and the method of doing it with the steps given. Okay, now here is a bag with money, that means currency notes, 10 rupee notes and 20 rupee notes are there in the bag. A bag contains 1600 rupees in the form of 10 rupee notes and 20 rupee notes. How many 10 rupee notes are there? How many 20 rupees notes are there? They did not give the number, but a ratio given. That only here. Ratio of 10 rupee notes to 20 rupee notes is equal to 2:3. Ratio given for the notes in the bag. But the total value of all the notes in the bag is 1600 rupees. That is in the first step. Then this ratio is going to change to like this. Here 2 related with 10 rupee notes, 3 related with 20 rupee notes. Yes, no? So 2 should multiply with 10, 2 tens 20. 3 is related with 20 rupee notes, 3 20s 60. So this is the procedure we have to follow. Now 20:60 we got as a new ratio with the help of the ratio given in the question. 2 should multiply with 10 because that is part related with 10 rupee note. 2 tens 20. This part is related with 20 rupee note. 3 20s so 60. Is it clear now students? Afterwards value of 10 rupee notes in the bag, some value will be with 10 rupee notes. That value will be 20x, because by seeing this term we can say as 20x. And value of 20 rupee notes in the first bag we said that can be written as 60x. By seeing this term 60 we can write this 60x. Value is 20x and 60x for the 10 rupee notes and 20 rupee notes respectively. Then sum of the value of all the notes is 20x plus 60x. 20x and 60x are both the values we said. Both values addition gives you 80x. So that 80x is the total value of all the notes. The total value given as 1600. So I have equated 80x and 1600. So x value is equal to 1600 by 80. Last zero in the numerator, denominator cancelled. 8th table 8 1 are 8. 8 20 is 160. So x value we got as 20. Thus value of 10 rupee notes we said 20x. 20 into x value 20, now we got 20 into 20 400 rupees. So in the 1600 rupees 400 rupees are came out from the value of all the 10 rupees notes. Same way value of 20 rupees notes is equal to, we thought 60x. 60 into x value 20 we got just now. 60 into 20 is 1200. So 1200 rupees is the value of all the 20 rupees notes which are there in the bag in the beginning with a total value 1600 rupees. Is it clear? Now we need to find how many 10 rupees notes are there, again how many 20 rupees notes are there. That only here 2 steps are there for us to say that. Now number of 10 rupees notes. Total value of 10 rupees notes 400. In that 400 rupees are 10 rupees notes only. That means 400 rupees divided by 10, if I do, 40 notes are coming out. 40 notes are 10 rupees notes. 40 into 10 rupees will be 400 rupees. That only we got down now. Same way, number of 20 rupees notes. 1200 should divide with 20. 0, 0 cancelled. To 1 cent to 60 is 120. 60 notes are there. Each note 20 rupees. So 60 into 20, 1200. 40 into 10, 400. So 400 rupees formed with 10 rupee notes. 1200 rupees formed with 20 rupees notes. That's why 40 are for 10 rupee notes, 60 are for 20 rupees notes. Then total number of notes they asked finally. 40 are 10 rupee notes, 60 are 20 rupee notes. Both together is 100. That is only total number of notes is equal to 40 plus 60 will be equal to 100 notes are there in that. In the 100 notes are in the bag, 40 notes belongs to 10 rupee notes. 40 into 10, 400. Remaining 60 notes, in the total 100 we said, 40 if we remove, remaining 60 notes will be there. 60 are each 20 rupee notes. 60, 20 is 1200. 400, 1200 together, 1600 total money in the bag we said in the beginning. It is little different than the previous sums, but based on ratio concept only. If you understand slowly by watching 2 times like that, it can be easy only for you. I hope things are clear. Only thing, with your practice and with your understanding the logics related to the steps, you will get correct answer for it. Let us discuss 22nd question also. It is one of the small answer only. They said in the question, see once, ratio of the prices of a scooter and a refrigerator. Scooter and refrigerator prices will be there now in the shops. The ratio of those prices given as 4:1. Here 4 is scooter. Scooter is 4 parts. 1 is refrigerator. Because refrigerator value is smaller, scooter value is more. That only they said. Scooter is first, that is 4, and refrigerator is second part, that is 1. So 1 is related with refrigerator, 4 is related with scooter. Got some idea? Afterwards he said cost of scooter given as 45,000 rupees more than the cost of refrigerator. Scooter value is not 45,000. The value of the scooter is nothing but more than refrigerator only. How much more than refrigerator values? 45,000 rupees more than the value of refrigerator. That only. Cost of scooter is equal to 45,000 rupees more than the price of refrigerator. That means which cost is more? Refrigerator cost or scooter's cost? Scooter cost only more. That is difference of the prices. If both prices are put side by side, there will be difference. Scooter value and refrigerator value. Refrigerator value is suppose some value. Scooter value will be more than the refrigerator. How much more? 45,000 more. Yes. That means difference of the prices, how much in both the values? Difference means one is a very bigger value, 45,000 more than the other one. That means difference is that much only. No? Difference of their values will be again 45,000 only, because 45,000 more than the price of refrigerator will be equal to the value of the scooter. Okay, no? That's why difference of the prices is 45,000. Now, difference of the terms of the ratio is equal to 4 terms is one of the value, 1 term is another value. 4 and 1 terms we got in the ratio. Their difference is 3 parts. 4 minus 1 gives you 3 parts. This 3 parts is the difference. in the prices. 45,000 also difference of the prices. That means 45,000 to 3 parts both are having relation to each other. So 3 parts is equal to 45,000. I said no relation is there. Then 1 part value is equal to 45,000 by 3 parts. 3 ones, 3 15s, 45 and other 3 zeros dropped. That is 15,000 rupees. That 15,000 rupees is nothing but 1 part value. 1 part means what we said, 1 part to refrigerator. 1 part is what? Refrigerator. Thus, price of the refrigerator we said as 1 part in the ratio as the sum only given for us. So 1 part value we should write for the refrigerator. That is only 15,000. Now, price of the refrigerator is 15,000. Cost of the scooter will be 45,000 more than this 15,000. 15 plus 45,000 if we add 60,000 will be the scooter. But they did not ask to find the value of scooter. Just they said us to find the value of refrigerator. Now it is the value of the refrigerator as 1 part. That only we got as 15,000 rupees. Is it clear now, students? No, this is the way. Once again go through the video to make it more clear and let it complete this writing of your classwork. And I hope things are easy. With tomorrow's class we will go for the proportion sums. There is another exercise for this chapter. Okay students, thank you.